How to fix Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, keep holding the Telegram icon. Now tap on App Info. Now tap on Storage Usage and tap on Clear Cache. Now go back, click on Force Stop. Now go back to your home screen. Open up Settings. Now scroll down, tap on System and Updates and go to Date and Time. Now disable this toggle and select Date. Now increase your date by one date. Now select tomorrow's date and go back. Now restart your device and try again logging in. Now restart your device and try logging in again. I hope this should fix issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or a suggest topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.